So there are several phones. There's the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and a Pixel 9 Pro Fold. But the base phone, the Pixel 9, is actually $799. And with that, you get the 6.3-inch screen size, and it has this new design with the flat, matte, metal sides and a polished glass back in 4 colors. Porcelain, जो white है, Obsidian, which is black, and then the wintergreen, and a new peony. Peony? I'm not so sure. The Pixel 9 Pro, it has the exact same size as the Pixel 9, just like what the iPhone has been doing. And the only thing that's different about the XL is just that it's bigger and a bigger battery. But yeah, the Pro phones start at $1,000. And with that, you'll get an extra third camera, the telephoto camera. They have more RAM, and they also have switched it to a glossy rails finish. Again, in 4 colors: Obsidian, Porcelain, Hazel, जो कि बहुत खूबसूरत है, and Rose Quartz, जो कि एक faded pink सा color है. These phones feel heavier, and they also look like actual flagships, which gives them a more solid feel. The screens are much brighter, so the Pixel 9's actual display is actually 35% more brighter than the Pixel 8, and also has thinner bezels all the way around. And yes, finally, it has an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. But aesthetically, the camera bump sahi hai. I liked the old one better. Now let's come to the actual star of the show, the specs. Let's just get them all in one place. There, these are all the specs that I've been able to confirm. और आप notice करोगे कि across the board सारे Google phones के अंदर same Tensor G4 chip है, which is actually extremely fast. And Google claim करता है that these are more efficient, dramatically better AI capabilities. Obviously, it's a Pixel. आप एक और चीज notice करोगे, all the 4 phones across the board have the exact same camera, the exact same primary and ultra wide camera. So again, मैं यही कहूँगा, the Pixel 9 is actually a really good deal because आपको वो सब कुछ मिलता है जो आपको Pro मॉडल में मिलता है, because Pro मॉडल के अंदर ज़्यादा इतना डिफरेंस नहीं है except for that telephoto lens and a little more RAM. But then again, the Pixel 9 for $799 is actually a really good deal. Google claims that the new Tensor chip is 20% faster with web browsing and 17% faster with app launching. And I think I agree with them because this phone is really quick and snappy, at least मेरे use में. Now for the AI features. AI features के अगर हम बात करें, then the Pixel 9 की सारी सीरीज के अंदर कुछ बड़े changes हैं. Number 1 is going to be the weather app. Now अगर आप मेरी तरह हैं, essentially I don't usually use the weather app quite often, लेकिन इसमें कुछ AI features हैं जो कि आपको weather को बहुत आसान करके समझा देंगे. Next is going to be the screenshots app. Now all of your screenshots can be in a single application, and you can scroll through them and even search for a specific scene in a screenshot using the in-device AI capabilities. And the last one is going to be the Pixel Studio. ये एक trend बन गया है इन दिनों में. Every single phone launching these days comes with an app called Studio, जिसमें आप जो है AI generate कर सकते हैं. But the Pixel 9 series does all the computation on device, और pictures भी और भी AI features हैं जैसे कि Magic Editor in the Photos app, जिसके अंदर एक नया feature है Reimagine. अब आप भी अपने फ़ोन के अंदर किसी भी चीज़ को हाईलाइट करके AI से उसको reimagine करवा सकते हैं. The best photo feature that I can say launched in this entire year, and that is Add Me. But basically होता simply ये है कि if you have a group of people और अगर आप एक साथ फोटो खींचना चाहते हैं तो एक बंदा हमेशा पीछे रह जाता है. Now for that, what Google has done is that your phone actually scans the surrounding beforehand, and then the Google Pixel asks the second person to go in frame and then takes another shot and then just stitches the two together. Now, let me run down all the new features that all the new Pixel 9 series are bringing that you definitely need to know. First up, the Pixel 9 series is the first non-Samsung phone in the US to feature the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. What's cool about it? Well, it doesn't need the screen to be lit up, making it super easy to use at night. Next up, the display is now whopping 3000 nits bright, That's a jump from 2400 nits on the Pixel 8 Pro. So whether you are out in the bright sun or you just want the extra pop of color, the screen's got you covered. Google's added 4GB more RAM to the Pixel 9 Pro XL, bringing it up to speed for all those complex AI tasks. This extra RAM is needed because some of the RAM is reserved for just on-device AI, so everything runs smoother and faster. The Pixel 9 Pro XL supports 37-watt charging, 7 watt more than its predecessor. Remember how awesome Super Res Zoom was for photos? Now it's available for videos too. You can zoom in it up to 20x while recording and still get crisp, clear footage. Here's a feature I hope you'll never need, but you'll be glad to have: Satellite SOS. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is the first Android phone to offer this feature at launch. If you are in a place with no call service, this feature connects you to emergency services via satellite. Ever hung up the phone and realized you forgot something important? You will get a private summary and full transcript sent to you the moment you hang up. The best part? This feature is fully private. The transcripts and summaries are stored locally on your device. Google ने इस दफा अपना very own version of ChatGPT's voice chat called Gemini Live भी रिलीज किया है. You can have full-on conversations with your phone, interrupting it, pausing, and picking it up where you left off. Gemini is also getting more extensions to work with, apps like Keeps, Task, Google Calendar. Plus, Gemini can now give you full contextual replies based on what's on your screen. For instance, you can ask it about a travel video you're watching and it can pull a list of recommended restaurants and add them to Google Maps. Oh, और Google promise कर रहा है 7 year of OS updates for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. और ये 2 साल ज़्यादा है compared to the Pixel 8 Pro. Remember, Pixel 8 Pro के पास 7 years of security updates थी, OS updates नहीं थी. Overall, मैं बहुत impressed हूँ with the new Pixel 9 series, especially with the Pixel 9 Pro and the Pro XL. Because literally, I can finally say कि Google is now a proper flagship phone. और इसने अपना गेम बहुत हद तक स्टेप अप किया है in the hardware department, and it's now truly competing with the best out there in terms of both software and hardware. What do you think? Comments में ज़रूर बताइएगा. Oh, and subscribe please.